So guys, this bathroom stinks. It stinks so much, it's very uncomfortable to be in here for more than a minute. So I have two sinks, that one there, the shower, there's a drainage down there, you see that hole? Okay, and I also have the jacuzzi. There's also that drainage, obviously, on the floor drainage. So I've lined up a few items to help me basically clean up the drainage. So I'll be using these items here: white vinegar, that one there, the bicarbonate soda, and the pressure washer. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to open up these pipes here. Obviously there will be something in there, just to make sure that I get rid of whatever is in those tubes before I apply the bicarbonate of soda and the other chemical. Alright, I'm going to open this tube. So I'll put in a towel, right? And then as you can see, I'm going to open this one. Right? Do you see that already? Do you see something sticking out there? Right? Oh God. You see this stuff here? This is hair. Definitely this is hair. And it's stinking crazy. Oh God. Right. And this goes to the back. So I will open this one as well. Alright. Okay. And I'm going to empty in here. Right, did you see that? I'm going to also remove this one. Look at that. Look at all this stuff here. As I said before, you can see we have some things that are sticking out. These things. This must be hair. You see? All these things. So I'm going to use my pressure washer to try and drive these things down. Hopefully that works. Do you see all that? So the whole floor is a mess, but we just have to go through this process, Right. See all that? Right. So look at all that, guys. Look at all that. Yeah. So keep using the pressure washer to your satisfaction. As you can see, this is all that was coming out of that bit there, from the sink. It's a mess. I have to clean up all this here. but it's worth it, you know. So now we have a few hairs still sticking out. That's when I'm gonna be using the chemicals. They should be able to dissolve these, you know. So I'm going to clean the connectors and then I'll put them back on. Again, I'll use my pressure washer. Okay. So look guys, this is how much there was in that tube, you know. Now this looks much cleaner. Okay. And then I'll just connect them as they were before. I'm going to use this chemical here, right? So this will actually go down the pipes to the other parts that I didn't manage to clean. There we go, down the drain. I'm going to pour some boiling water from here, right, down the sink. All right. Clear. You can hear that it's so clear down there. And I'll just make sure it goes down. Make sure it goes down. I'm not going to use the vinegar, and I'll pour it down there. So I'll wait another 10 minutes. So I'm going to pour some boiling water down the drain. Wow, I love the smell. Smelling good, you know. Then after that, I'm going to use the drain clean again. And I will let this one sit for 30 minutes. Then I will flush with some hot water. Second time around. So I'll come back 30 minutes later. Okay, so 30 minutes later, here is some boiling water. So as for the shower, I will repeat the same process, right? So there isn't much to do here. So I will pour down the drain clean hair unclogger, right? Like that. Okay, and I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. Then I'll come back. 30 minutes later, I'll pour the boiling water down the drain. Followed by some bicarbonate of soda. And then I'll come back with some vinegar 10 minutes later. Some vinegar down the drain. And as you can see, the vinegar didn't drain. So I'll pour some boiling water. Now there is some movement. And the next thing I'm gonna do is use my pressure washer. So I'll pour this down there and then I'll wait 30 minutes. So I'll repeat the same process in the other drainage points. Okay, and I tell you, this bathroom now smells so fresh.